Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Here's another digital SAT math question. In this question, let's read the question first of all. What is the y-intercept of the graph shown? So you've been asked to find the y-intercepts, right, in this question. So let's remember what is y-intercept and also what is x-intercept. So if you have been given, let's say, a graph similar to this, let me draw that with another color. Let's say you're given this graph. Over here, this is our x-axis, this is our y-axis, right? The horizontal one is called x-axis and the vertical one is the y-axis. In the question, you've been also given as similar. Wherever the graph is intersecting with the x-axis over here, this is called x-intercept. And wherever the line is intersecting this vertical line over here, it's called y-intercept. So, based on this, consider in this question, where is the y-intercept? The graph goes from over here and is intersecting with our vertical line on this point. And what is the value of that point? The y value is 8 and the x value is 0. So 0, 8 will be, because this is the x value, this is the y value, will be your answer. Some of the students may think that the answer is 8, 0 for this, which is not even given in the choices though, but this is going to be wrong because the first value in this ordered pairs are always x value. Okay, so the right choice in here, A is given as -8 to 0. No, A is not the answer. B is given as -6 to 0. No, and 0 to 6 is not, but 0 to 8 will be our answer. Okay, thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. You'll thank me later.